Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a 2018 BMW X5 key fob. Start by removing the mechanical key and locating the seam along the fob edge. Carefully pry the halves apart with a small flathead screwdriver, keeping tabs and springs in place. Remove the old CR2032 battery with tweezers, note its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 positive side up. Snap the fob closed and test the buttons and remote functions. Before you open the fob, gather your tools and a fresh CR2032 battery to make the job smooth and fast. Set everything on a clean towel to catch small parts and prevent scratches. Use gentle leverage when prying to protect plastic clips, and keep track of the old battery orientation so you insert the new one correctly. Test the key functions immediately to confirm a successful swap. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more car tech tips. Quick recommendation: after handling batteries and fobs, you might want your car to smell great again, so grab a little Trees black ice to keep the cabin fresh and confidence high. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love a clean ride, this is a fun little upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. If the key fob doesn't respond after swapping the battery, inspect the contact pads for dirt or corrosion and clean them carefully. Try a simple reset by removing the battery for about 30 seconds, then reinstalling it to clear minor glitches. Persistent issues may mean the fob needs reprogramming or a replacement, in which case contacting a dealer or qualified locksmith is the quickest way to restore full remote functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.